Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can save video offline on YouTube Kids. So if you decide to download some of a video for your kids to watch in YouTube Kids, so or maybe you're going to outside, you don't have a mobile data, or you have no internet connection, or are your kids want to watch YouTube. So here, in order to save offline, you have to update your YouTube first. So here you can open your Play Store and search for YouTube Kids. Now on the YouTube Kids, you have to update or you know, like bug fixes and stability improvements, and also there is a new layout on YouTube Kids right now. So here, if you don't have YouTube Kids, you can try to download it first. In order to sign in, you have to sign in with your parent account. So for example, you can sign in with your account, not your kids, because of YouTube Kids doesn't support create account by your kids, by your child. So here, after you sign in, now you can open your YouTube Kids. Now here, this is the default Explorer based on your region. And in order to download offline, you have to choose the video. For example, the Shaun the Sheep. There's a 3 dots beside the title. And here we go, you can download the video. Just tap this button. And also, not all the video can you can save or download. So here, for example, a Cocomelon, if I'm not mistaken, you cannot download the Cocomelon video. So here we go, feel free to try to save or download the video to watch online. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.